So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or a gig worker and you want paid time off, if you want paid time off, sick leave, you want protection if you get into accidents, if you want income protection, if you want protection if you ever get deactivated, hospitalized, if you ever do get deactivated and you want your account back as well, there's a brand new company that just launched and they got $1.6 million in funding. They're doing same day cash transfers to drivers, to gig workers for, you know, paid time off, all that stuff. If you want that, the company's called Cover. And if you use my link down below, you get 30 days for free. It does start at $7 a month. But again, if you use my link, you get 30 days for free. No commitments, no annual contracts. You can cancel and pause at any time. At least check it out. At least click my link down below and accept that gift of 30 days for free. And now let's get on to the video. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel, the Rideshare Hub. Thank you so much for coming by. So in today's video is a really interesting story about a driver who just sent in us screenshots about money that he should have received from Uber, but Uber didn't send him that money. And I know it's been a long debate between whether or not Uber is stealing tips from drivers, whether or not Uber is just straight up taking more than 25% that they've promised that of their cut. Some drivers have said Uber makes over 50% from every ride. So I want you guys to comment down below. If you're an Uber or a Lyft driver, have you ever received less than 25%? Or has Uber ever made more than you on a ride? You know, if you give a $20 ride, the rider pays 20 bucks. Has Uber ever made more than $2.50 on that? That would be crazy. But leave your comments down below. And also, has Uber ever taken your tips too? Has Lyft ever taken your tips? Thumbs up this video so more people can see this, because this is exposing Uber. So this is in my Facebook group actually. Bizrate Gabriel posted in this 23 hours ago, so fairly recently. He goes, Uber Quest is a joke. I gave rides, but none are applied. So if you don't know what Uber Quest is, basically, yeah, complete one more trip to make an extra $5. They'll do, it's basically a ride count. So Quest is, you don't need to do a ride in a certain zone. It's like a quest. Like give 50 rides and we'll give you another 75 bucks. It's like a little cash bonus. And I mean, they want you to give rides for them, not for Lyft or whatever the platform is. For Uber, give you 100 rides, we'll give you an extra 200 bucks, whatever. That's a pretty good one, but 150 bucks. I don't know, whatever it is, 75 bucks. But this one is complete one more trip to make an extra $5. So what did he do? So this is, so 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. So this looks like it's a timely quest. So he had to give rides between the hours of on October 5th, 5 p.m. to October 5th, 8 p.m. So a 3-hour window. If he did 4 trips, he's making $20 extra. So, oh, 5 trips, 8 trips, 40. So basically $5 a trip, which honestly is freaking amazing. $5 extra for one trip, that's an amazing quest. That's an amazing bonus. Usually it's like $2 or $3, but the fact that you can give 8 rides and make an extra $40 on those 8 rides, you're probably already averaging $10 maybe. If you can average $10 per trip, that's $80 plus 40. Now you're averaging what is that, $113 per ride. So now you're getting 130 bucks in 3 hours. It's over $40 an hour. That's how you hack Uber. Not hack it, but that's how you know, gamify the system, play their game. Oh dang, you can go up all the way to 12 trips. Dude, 12, that's 4 trips an hour. Yeah, 60 bucks right there even. $60 extra in 3 hours, that's an extra $20 an hour. Even giving a bunch of tiny little rides, you're already making 20 bucks an hour just from the quest alone. Holy crap. Who's giving 50 trips in 3 hours? Is this separate? Is this that's the current quest. Can you give 50 trips in? So I want to see how many rides did he give total. So he's not showing how many rides. He said I gave rides, but none are applied. I want to know how many rides did he give. you have to look on the map to see if you picked up within the designated area. So these ones I don't think are in a designated area. It's just total. So if he said he gave rides but he didn't receive any of them, he's entitled to that money. That's crazy. Sometimes Uber and Lyft, they're up to dirty stuff. That's why you gotta take screenshots of all these things. I mean, he's going to basically have to send these screenshots in order to get his money, which at the end of the day is a hassle, but still at the end of the day, he's getting his money. So anyways, sign up for Lyft with my referral link down below. No, I'm just kidding. But seriously guys, that's crazy. Leave this video a big thumbs up if you think Uber and Lyft should pay Bizrate Gabriel. And have a great day guys, and try not to get snaked out there, because sometimes Uber be playing games. Bye guys.